Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. I'm Dr. Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, belongs to SNSP Spine. So today we are going to discuss about case study in design thinking. So everyone know about design thinking, right? So the five concepts very important in that design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So in this design thinking, I'm going to create one case study in marketing. So what is the case study we are going to discuss? The case study topic is increasing footfall and sales for a coffee shop. So actually what is the case? Java Heaven is a cozy, independently owned coffee shop located in a busy neighborhood. Despite serving high quality coffee and offering a warm ambience, the coffee shop is facing challenges in attracting enough customers and increasing sales. The owners want to explore marketing strategies to boost footfall and revenue. So, this is the case. Now, I am going to empathize. The coffee shop needs to implement effective marketing tactics to attract more customers, increase footfall, and ultimately to boost sales. So, this is I am going to empathize. That is a problem statement. So, what do you mean by footfall? You are going to measure the number of people entering a shopping mall or store. So, footfall is usually counted per hour, day, week, month, or year. So, you are going to measure the number of persons. For example, if you are having a departmental stores or anything, this footfall is very important. So, how many uh, customers enter into the particular departmental stores or mall or whatever it is, that is the footfall. So, what about the solution? I am giving to the empathize is over, and I am going to that. So, what is the problem? We everyone know. So, how to increase the customer? That's empathize part. That now. So, what are the solution related to the case? First one, market research and customer profiling. So, if you're going to start any business or anything, if you're having a shop, you're going to conduct a market research. Conduct market research to understand the preferences and demographic of the target audience in the neighborhood. Identify the most likely customer segments, such as office workers, students, or local residents. So, first we are going to conduct the market research and customer profile. Who are the customers they are entering into that particular mall? Next, social media presence. So, in that modern world, social media presence is very important. So, create an active presence on popular social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So, these are all very important to promote our organization. So, share appealing visuals of the coffee shop, menu items, and promotions. Engage with followers, respond to comments, and use social media to announce special events and offers. Then third one, very important, loyalty programs and referral incentives. So what do you mean by loyalty? So every organization, every customer, they are having loyalty. So loyalty is nothing but trustworthiness of the customers. So introduce a loyalty program to reward repeat customers. Continuously, the customer will purchase your product. It's a loyalty. For example, if you take this a soap or toothbrush or anything, that's a loyalty. So in our case study related to that loyalty, introduce a loyalty program to reward repeat customers, offer discounts or freebies after a certain number of visits or purchases. Additionally, implement a referral program where existing customers receive incentives for referring new customers to the coffee shop. So loyalty programs and referral incentives. Next, very very important, community involvement. So engage with the local community by participating in neighborhood events, sponsoring local activities, or collaborating with nearby businesses. Being an active and visible part of the community can attract more customers and build brand loyalty. So in our area, I mean that in our neighbor place, you go and conduct the events in the name of your coffee shop. So you will get some awareness. I'm going to promote that particular coffee shop, right? So next, very very important, special promotions and events. So create limited time promotions and events to attract customers during specific period. For example, now everyone we have seen offer a buy one get one free deal during slower hours, host live music nights, or organize themed events like Trivia Tuesdays or board game nights, like that. We are going to conduct some special promotions and events for our coffee shop. Then very very important, ambience. So what do you mean by ambience? Ambience is nothing but environment of that particular coffee shop. So enhance the coffee shop ambience to make it more appealing and inviting. Consider factors like lighting, seating arrangements, and background music. A comfortable and cozy environment can encourage customers to spend more time and return for future visits. The next one, local partnership. It's very important to this case. Local partnership. Collaborate with nearby business such as bookstores or gift shop to cross promote each other offerings. For instance, Java Heaven could offer a discount to customers who show a receipt from a partnered business and vice versa. Then very very important, email marketing campaigns. Collect email addresses from customers with their concern and send regular newsletters or promotional offers via email. Personalize the content based on customer preferences and purchase history. Now everyone they are using the social media. It's one of the part email marketing. So you have to promote your coffee shop through email marketing. Then very very important, last but not least, customer feedback and improvements. Encourage customers to provide feedback through suggestion card or online surveys. Add on the feedback to improve service, menu offerings, or any other aspects that customers may suggest. So now I'm going to give the solution for that particular problem. I already said in the design thinking, empathize, define, ideate, then prototype and testing. So what is the solution to the case? By implementing this targeted marketing solution, Java Heaven can attract more customers, increase footfall, and boost sales. A combination of social media engagement, loyalty programs, community involvement, special promotions, and customer feedback will help the coffee shop build a loyal customer base and improve its revenue over time. So finally, so this is the solution. So these are the things you are doing. Automatically, the coffee shop will promote and they will get more customers. Now everyone can understand the case. So you can understand the concept of design thinking also. Thank you all.